Hello everyone, my name is Chuck Lawson with Bentley Systems, and I'm going to be discussing moving to OpenRoads Designer, in particular setting up drawing seeds. Setting up drawing seeds allows an end user to select a seed to populate all the settings required for plans production. Creating these seeds files requires training. This presentation will assist in developing an overall understanding of that creation process. Drawing model, sheet model only seed file creations, we'll be talking about adding config variables, preparing the sheet borders, creating the start CDGN files for cross sections and for plan end or profiles. We want to create the plan only sheet seed file, the plan sheet seed file, the profile only sheet seed file, the plan and profile sheet seed file, and the cross section sheet seed file. So let's begin by taking a look at the drawing model file creation. When setting up sheet C definition DG and lib files, it is required to have a blank file that only contains a drawing model. This drawing model must have identical units of resolution as the project-related files used for the plan's production. We need to make a drawing seed file, and I have navigated into the workspace where we keep our primary seeds, and I'm going to make a new folder here. I'm going to call it Sheets, and I'm going to copy our 2D seed file, and I'm going to paste it into our Sheets file, and then I'm going to rename it. I'm going to call this Seed 2D. Metric drawing. And as a requirement for this file, it only can contain a drawing model. And so what we're going to do is we're going to open this file and make some changes to that default design model and turn it into a drawing model. So in OpenRoads Designer Connect Edition, I want to navigate to that folder, and we're going to open up the file, and I'm using the delivered metric workspace. Once in this file, go ahead and open up your Properties panel. Then open up your models. Select your model. Let's go ahead and change the name, which will become significant later. Change the model type to drawing. Verify that your default annotation scale is correct. In our example, we're going to be looking at metric. Also make sure that propagate annotation scale, line style scale are both set appropriately, as well as update fields automatically. Once that's done, you can save those settings. The last thing that we want to verify is the working units, which you can get to under File, Settings, File, Design File Settings, Working Units. It is important that the drawing seed file, the sheet seed file, the overall seed file for design are all going to contain the exact same working units for your sheets to be created properly. And so verify that your working units are matching up with your seed file that you're going to be using for your design. And this concludes the settings that we need to make for our drawing model seed file to be used to create our sheet definition DGN libraries.